Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to check the correct POP, IMAP and SMTP server and port settings in Outlook in 2026. Now these settings control how your emails are received and sent, and fixing them solves most of the mail errors. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open the Outlook application on your computer. Now on the home page itself, you just have to hover over to the top and click on the option of file. Over here, simply click on the option of settings. Once you are in the account settings, you just have to choose the email, and here you just have to click on the option of manage right next to it. Now when you click on the option of manage, you will be shown the option of change and the repair. So in the settings window, look for the incoming mail server and outgoing mail servers. If you are using IMAP, the incoming servers should show you the imap.office365.com. If you are using POP, it should show you pop.office365.com. Now you can check the ports. For IMAP, you just have to simply select the correct port, which will be 993 with SSL encryption enabled. For POP, the correct port would be 997 with SSL encryption turned on. You can also check the SMTP server. It should be set to smtp.office365.com. The correct SMTP port is 587 and the encryption must be set to start TLS. Also make sure my outgoing servers requires authentication is also turned on. It is going to use the same login details as your incoming servers. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.